Good morning, children. First of all, we are going to see Unit 1 numbers. In numbers, we are going to see multiplication. So, in numbers, we are going to see multiplication. Multiplication is adding the same number to a specified number of times. Multiplication means adding the same number to a specified number of times. Example is 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 12. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So that is here. Here we add 4 3 times and the answer is 12. So now we can written as 4 3s are 12. So that is multiplication. So multiplication is quicker way to add the numbers occurring repeatedly. Multiplication is quicker way to add the numbers repeatedly. Some symbol for multiplication. Symbol of multiplication, we use the symbol into to represent multiplication. We use the symbol into to represent multiplication. Now 4 into 5 equal to 20. Now 4 into 5 equal to 20. 4 is the multiplicand and 5 is the multiplier and 20 is the product. 4 is the multiplicand and 5 is the multiplier and 20 is the product. Multiplication of a number with other number can be done in following ways. When you are multiplying with one number with another number can be done in following ways, that is dot multiplication, and second one repeated addition, and third one regrouping, fourth one standard multiplication algorithm, fifth one lattice multiplication. So 5 methods are there for multiplying with two numbers. First one we are going to see dot multiplication. Complete the following table. Stars, number of horizontal rows, number of vertical columns, and total number of stars. Now if I find out how many stars are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So number of horizontal rows, 2 rows. Horizontal mean left to right. So stars are going horizontal mean left to right. So how many rows there are left to right? So 1 row and 2 row. So total number of horizontal rows, 2 rows. Number of vertical columns. Vertical column means top to up or up to down. So how many rows are there? How many columns are there? 1 2 3 4. So how many columns are there? 4 columns. So total number of stars, 2 into 4 equal to 8. 2 4s are 8. So second one, how many rows are there? How many horizontal rows are there? 1 2 3 4. So horizontal rows, 4 rows, and vertical columns 1 2 3 4. So vertical columns are 4 columns. So 4 into 4 equal to 16. So 4 columns and 4 rows equal to 16s are there. Totally 16s are there. And next one, 1 2 3. 3 horizontal rows. So you can write it here 3. Next, how many columns are there? 1 2 3 4 and 5. 5 vertical columns are there. So 3 into 5 equal to 15. 3 5s are 15. Now horizontal rows, 2 rows, 1 and 2. Only 2 rows are there. So we can horizontal rows, 2 rows. Vertical columns 1 2 and 3. So vertical columns, 3 vertical columns are there. So 3 we can write it here. So 2 3s are 6. Totally 6 stars are there. Next, repeated addition. We are going to see repeated addition. Find out the total number of flowers. From each box, 3 flowers are there. So we can find out the total number of flowers. how many numbers are there in this box? 3 flowers. In this box 3 flowers. Next one, this 3 flowers. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 3 groups of 3 flowers makes 9. So totally 9 flowers are there. So we can write it 3 into 3 equal to 9. So totally 9 flowers are there. And next one, find out the total number of leaves. We have to find out the total number of leaves. And each side 4 leaves are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 leaves. And this side also 4. 1, 2 and 3. 4. Okay. Next one 1, 2, 3 and 4. And this side also 1, 2, 3 and 4. So each side 4 flowers are there. So we can do repeated addition. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 4 16. So now we can write it into multiplication fact. So 4 into 4 equal to 16. 4 into 4 equal to 16. Now we are going to construct the multiplication tables. First we are going to construct multiplication table 2. So in this box, each box 2 balls having, each box 2 balls having here, and repeated addition facts 2. How many balls are there? Only 2 balls. So repeated addition fact 2. Multiplication fact 2 balls are there. So 2 into 1 equal to 2. And second box, how many balls are there? 2 plus 2. So we can write into 2 into multiplication fact 2 into 2 equal to 4. Each ball now here next one. So 2 in 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 repeated addition fact 2 plus 2 plus 2. So multiplication fact 2 into 3 equal to 6. So totally 6 balls are there. Next 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we can write it here 2 into 4 equal to 8. So totally here 2 4s are 8. And next one here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So here 2 is 5 times is repeating here. So 2 into 5 equal to 10. And next one each ball repeating 2 plus 2 like that. No, so 2 is repeating 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2 is 2 balls are repeating. So 2 into 6 equal to 12. So same like this also 7 balls is repeating. So 7 times we should add 2 is the number. So 2 into 7 equal to 14. Here 8 times ball is repeating. So 2 plus 2 like that we have to write 8 times. So 2 into 8 equal to 16. So again here also 2 is repeating 9 times. So 2 into 9 equal to 18. So last one here 2 is 2 balls repeating 10 times. So 2 into 10 equal to 20. Now we are going to find out the answers. Fill in the box. So 2 into 6 equal to 12. So 9 next 9 into 2 equal to 9 2s are 18. So next one 3 2s are 6. And next 7 4 2s are 14. Next 2 5s are 10. Next 2 2s are 4. Next 2 8 2s are 16. And next 4 2s are 8. Next 2 3s are 6. And next one we are going to see multiplication table 3. Here each box 3 balls having. So here repeated addition fact. Next multiplication fact. So first one only 3 balls. So 3 into 1 equal to 3 multiplication fact. Addition fact only 3. So second one 3 plus 3. So addition fact 3 plus 3. So 3 into 2s are 6. Third one 3 plus 3 plus 3. So addition fact 3 plus 3 plus 3. And multiplication fact 3 times. So 3 into 3 equal to 9. So next 3 is 4 times repeating all the balls. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 3 4s are 12. Next 3 each ball 3 is repeating 5 times. So 3 into 5 equal to 15. So again 3 balls repeating 6 times. So here addition fact 3 is 6 times. So multiplication fact 18. 3 into 6 equal to 18. So same like 7 is 7 times repeating 3 balls. So 3 is repeating 7 times addition fact, and multiplication fact 3 sevens time is 21. And same like 3 is repeating 8 times. So 8 times 3 multiplication addition fact, multiplication fact is 3 8s are 24. So here 9 times repeating all the balls. So 3 is repeating 9 times. So 3 into 9 equal to 27. So here 10 times 3 is repeating. So 3 tens are 30. Now exercise we are going to find out the answers. Here multiplication product. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, already answer is given, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14 is given, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Next 3 table we are going to construct. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. So table is 1. Now fill in the boxes. 6 3s are already we know. 6 3s are 18. Next 5 3s are 15. 3 3s are 9. Dash into 3 equal to 9. So 3 3s are 9. Already we learned. So 10 3s are 30. 3 6 are 18. 8 3s are 24. 2 3s are 6. 4 3s are 12. 3 10s are 30. 3 4s are 12. 9 3 dash are 27. 9 3s are 27. That's all with this class. We will continue next class. Thank you.